I'm going to show you how to run a successful Google Ads campaign for local service-based businesses, all within 5 minutes. My name is Jordan Lee, and I run a Google Ads marketing agency, and me and my team, we have managed over $17 million in ad spend for service-based businesses. And so what that means for you is that we have a lot of data on what works and what doesn't, and I'm going to transfer all that data and knowledge over to you so that you can skip the learning curve and go straight into results and generating new customers, new clients, new jobs for your business. We don't have much time to waste, so let's jump right into it. So first thing you wanna do is go to ads.google.com. You wanna go ahead and click on Start Now and create your account, fill in all the business information so that you have an ad account to start running. Now, if you scroll down the homepage here, Google is going to share with you some credits that you can receive if you spend a certain amount within the first 60 days here. You can unlock essentially ad credit, which is free advertising for your business if you're new to the account. Now, once we have gone ahead and created the account, your dashboard is going to look something like this, okay? Google's always changing their interface, so don't worry too much if it looks a little bit different, but overall, it should look very, very similar, okay? Now, the first thing that we wanna do is go right over here to this plus sign, and we're gonna hit the plus, we're gonna hit campaign, and we're gonna build a new campaign for your business. Now, if we are a local service business and we're trying to generate leads, generate phone calls, generate new customers, clients, new jobs, what we wanna do is click on leads. From here, you wanna make sure that you have call tracking in place and you want to have conversion tracking codes all in place so that way you're tracking leads properly. But don't worry about that too much for right now. We're gonna go ahead and click continue. After that, we're gonna wanna go straight into search if you want your ads to show up on the search engine. Essentially, if someone's searching for your services on Google, then you're going to appear at the top of the page on Google if you're running a search campaign. So from here, we're gonna go to phone calls. Go ahead and type in your phone number here. Ideally, the call tracking number so you know exactly where the calls are coming from. If it's coming from your ad, you should have a dedicated number for your Google ads. Now from there, we're gonna go ahead and click continue. You're gonna go ahead and just give it a name. Name it after a service that you are advertising. So let's say in this case, we want to advertise, I don't know, plumbing services. We're gonna go and click continue. Don't worry about that. And then for the bidding strategy, if you are managing the ads yourself, then you can go focus on maximum conversions. And what that's going to do is you're going to tell Google to, hey, use your data and use a signal to go out there and generate me as many conversions as possible, which is essentially leads for your business. So what you're telling Google, go get me as many leads as possible, do the bidding for me. Okay, so that would be the first recommended strategy that I go. The second route would be the clicks. And you're telling Google to go out there and get as many clicks as possible on your business. And this is gonna quickly build up data if you're looking to collect data and build that up for your campaign. But if you wanna go straight into leads and focus on that, then we're just gonna leave it as that. From here, we're gonna click next. We wanna turn off the networks. And then you wanna go ahead here and enter another location, and then go ahead and select the location that you wanna target. So it might be a radius, it might be cities that you want to specifically target, okay? Right under here, you want to include, you only wanna select this option, targeting people in or regularly in your target location, okay? Language is pretty straightforward. Are we running political ads? We're gonna hit no. Audience segment, we don't got to worry too much about. Ad rotation, we can leave it as optimize. Ad schedule, we can put it towards your business hours, okay? So whatever your business hours are, you want to run your ad schedule there. Don't run 24/7 if you don't have someone trained and available during the ad hours. Pick up the phone to talk to the leads, okay? So make sure you have that in place. All this other stuff is pretty self-explanatory and good to go. So from here, AI Max, this is something you can test out with. You know, you can read about this if you want to run it. We don't run AI Max as of right now because it's still in beta mode, as you could see here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and click next. From here, we're going to target specific keywords. So if we are targeting, you know, plumbing services, roofing, electrician type jobs, or whatever it is that you're trying to advertise, just go ahead and target those specific keywords here. Furthermore, you can add in your website here and enter the product or services you wish to advertise, and Google is going to give you a recommendation on keywords that you should target. So for this example, if we want to target plumbing services near me, then we would go ahead and put that keyword in right there. So once you have all the keywords that you want to target here, you want to scroll down here and you want to build out your ad copy, okay? So from here, it's very straightforward. Just type in the phone number that you want people to call when they see your ad and click on your ad. Here is the URL that you want to send the traffic to. So maybe to your website or your landing pages. And then the headlines. So basically write out the headlines that you want to show up on the Azure ad. I have our display path, which is what's going to show right here. Plumbing, I put plumbing in nearby. You can put whatever you want. And then headline number 1, I have Jordan's plumbing services. As you can see, it's going to show up there. And then headline number 2 will show up right after this. And I put call for a free consultation. Business name, type in your business name. Description, you get up to 90 characters. I would highly recommend you try to fill it out as much as possible, just so that your ad looks bigger, takes up more real estate, and it'll convert better. Okay. So go ahead and type in a description for your business, maximize both the description lines and get up to 90 characters. From here, we're gonna hit done and we're gonna hit next. And then what you wanna do is go ahead and put in a budget for your ads. So from here, we can select a custom budget. This is what your average daily budget is going to be. And if you have a campaign total budget that you want to spend, then you can now place that here. It seems like this is a newer option from Google that's testing out, which is why they're still in beta mode. So if you see it or don't see it, then it is here. All right, so that is exactly how you set up a Google Ads campaign. From here, once you get to the review page, just make sure that all the information is correct and then go ahead and click publish campaign. Now you can publish your Google campaign, and this is exactly how you set up your Google Ads the right way with all the correct settings. Now, as always, if you need my help and you want our marketing team to essentially handle the ads for you and run it for you, or maybe if you are someone who wants to learn it themselves and you don't want to hire a marketing company, you want to know what's going on inside your Google Ads campaign, then you should check out my mentorship program. Both of those links, whether you want to hire my marketing agency to do it for you or have me and my team teach you how to put this whole entire system together, that'll be the second link in the description. If this was helpful whatsoever, drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more advanced tactics on Google Ads, and let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. I read every single comment and it means a lot to me and my channel.